welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a pink and girly home decor haul. So I have just recently moved. This is my new YouTube video in my new place. It's kind of furnished but not really furnished. I'm still adding bits and pieces. So I'm sorry that I missed a couple weeks of my uploads. It's because I was busy with moving and then trying to furnish this place. I do have an empty apartment tour that I have filmed before I moved in. I'm not sure if I'm going to have that uploaded before this video or after this video. If it is before this video, I will have a link down below in the description box if you want to check out the empty apartment tour. But yeah, so today is going to be my pink and girly home decor haul. So if you want to know what kind of things I bought for my new apartment, then please keep on watching. But before we get on with the video, don't forget to subscribe and push your bell notifications to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to follow me on any other social medias, I'll have that floating somewhere on the screen, as well as linked down below in the description box. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright, so as you guys have noticed, I am sitting on a pink couch. So this is one of my first kind of big furniture item that I purchased. I got this on Wayfair. It's just a really cute pink sofa. It's like a velvet plush material. I think it's pretty comfortable. It's not the comfiest couch. Like if you're looking for the comfiest couch where you can sleep and, you know, cuddle, then this is not the couch for you. This is more for aesthetic purposes, but at the same time, if you want to sit down and have a cup of coffee, it's also really nice for that too, where I have my pink and white pillows. So one of the first home decors that I got is this. It's not really a decor piece, it is furniture, but yeah, that I wanted to, you know, address the elephant in the room of the pink couch. I don't know if you can kind of see, but this is kind of what it looks like. But yeah, okay, and then the next home decor item that I got are these giant white fuzzy pillows. It still even has the tags on it. I got this from Home Goods, or was it Marshall's? I believe it's Home Goods. I think it's Home Goods. But I got these two, or TJ Maxx, one of those, I don't know. But I got these, it came in a set. I got these two pillows. They're very fluffy. I got them two for $30. I thought it was a really good purchase, and I thought that it would look really cute on my couch, especially with the white and pink going on here. It matches it perfectly in my opinion. But yeah, so that's one of the things that I got. The next thing that I got for this couch is actually a ginormous Kate Spade blanket. This is like a king size blanket, and it's so soft, and obviously it's pink. There's no like prints on it. It's literally just a pink fluffy ginormous blanket. So if you have people over and you want to be cozy, this is literally the perfect thing that you can get. I got this at Home Goods as well. This one was, I believe it was $30 for this king size blanket. So one of the reasons why I did get this blanket, even though it's, you know, everybody needs a blanket and we're going into winter time soon and we are in the fall, but one of the reasons why I got this giant one is to kind of cover up this couch. Whenever Dante and I are chilling in the couch area, or we just went somewhere, I'll have my sister or I'll have myself put this blanket on the couch itself, so it'll still give me that pink girly theme that I like, but at the same time the couch won't be messed up by Dante. So that's one of the reasons why I got this blanket. Okay. The next item that I got for home decor is this really cute pink pumpkin candle. So this has been really popular lately. I got this from Marshall's, I think. Yeah, I think I got this at Marshall's. It has like a gold stem, and it's a very iridescent, glossy pink pumpkin, and it smells amazing. Like literally, I think the scent, it doesn't say, but it's like a pumpkin scent. I think it's kind of like, it kind of reminds me of sweet cinnamon pumpkin, kind of, or white pumpkin, that kind of scent. But it smells amazing. it's pretty strong in my opinion. So even this little thing, if you put it out in your living room or in your dining room and you light it, it smells divine. And the good thing is, even if you use up all of the candle part, you can still use it as a decor piece in the end as just a regular pumpkin. So to me, it's like a 2-in-1, and it was great. I don't remember the price of this. I feel like it might have been like $10 or $12, I believe, but don't quote me on that. So there's going to be a lot of pumpkins because, hello, October 1st. Today is October 1st. It is pumpkin season. So, the next pumpkin thing that I got was at Home Goods, and it's literally this like cute, squishy, iridescent pumpkin. The stem is like a rose gold glitter, and it's just so cute and so adorable. I just love it. It goes with my decor perfectly because it's glitter and glitz and glam and pink. So I love it. If you guys see this at Home Goods or Marshalls, I would highly recommend you picking it up. And then the last pumpkin that I got is this one. And this one I also got at Home Goods. This was a little bit pricey for me for a pumpkin. This was $20. It's not heavy, but it's also not like hollow, you know. It says grateful on it, and it's kind of like a very light pink, like almost white kind of color. Like especially if you put it next to like this pink, see, it's kind of more of like a white color. If anything, it kind of reminds me of the color of the new iPhone 13s. That's what this color is. So this next purchase is going to be a little funny because, well, after I just said it's a fall haul type deal, I did get something that was Christmas related, and it's, oh hello, I think I got makeup on it. It's this pillow right here that says Merry Christmas. I got this at Hobby Lobby because of Tanya Gonzalez. I watched her recent YouTube video where she did a haul, and one of the things that she got was from Hobby Lobby, and I needed it. I saw her have it, and then I was like, my favorite season and holiday is Christmas, and then it's a pink Christmas pillow, which I hardly ever see. I just needed it, so I got it for my couch. It will be beautiful during the winter season, and I will do maybe like a decorate with me or a home tour with all my Christmas decorations, because this is beautiful, and I got this at Hobby Lobby. And I think Christmas stuff is like 40% off right now, so if you have a Hobby Lobby near you and you wanted this, run. Don't walk, run, okay? You need this in your life if you like pink, because let me just tell you, they will be gone by the time you're like, oh, let me start buying some Christmas stuff in November. They're gone. The next item that I got, hello, I guess I'll show you what I got at Ross. So the first, I didn't get too many things at Ross. I think I got 2 items from Ross. So one of the things that I got is this white basket, and I know it's very boring and generic, but I got this basket to put cleaning supplies in, because the thing that I was using for cleaning supplies was just a regular old box, just boring brown box, and well, that's not cute. So so I decided to buy this, and they had another one that was like a woven basket, but it was white and pink, but mostly white with pink accents, and I was about to get that, but then I realized it's cleaning supplies. It's probably going to get really dirty, especially if it's white. So I got this one instead, and this one is like a plasticky kind of material, so you can clean it pretty well. You can wash it, you can do whatever you want with it, and this was only like $5, so I decided to get it, and I thought it was really cute, and I love the shade of pink that it is. So the next thing that I got at Ross, this was hiding, okay, and I screamed because literally they didn't have, I never seen anything like it before. So my kitchen is definitely a pink themed, and I'm trying to make it a crazy pink themed. Okay, when I say crazy, as in like I want most of my appliances to be pink. But it's really hard to do that unless you want to spend like a lot of money. It's really hard to find kitchen stuff that are pink. And I found a kitchen mat that was pink. Are you guys ready for this? Look at how cute this is. Ah! Oh my god. I love this. It literally says rosé all day because I love me some rosé. And it's pink, and it's not even like the gross like dark pink or like hot pink. Not gross, but that's not really my aesthetic. It's like a beautiful baby pink color. Like, are you kidding me? Before this, the mat that I had in my kitchen was just some random brown one that I got at Ross like a long time ago. But now that's out with the old and in with the pink. I got this for $10, and it's by the brand Houseful. If you are curious and you don't find it in your Ross, if you do find it in your Ross, you need to get it. Like, if you already have a mat in your kitchen, throw that out. Get this. Get this. This is like the cutest thing, and it's huge. Oh my god. The shopping pink goddesses was smiling at me on this day. The next things that I got is from Hobby Lobby. I got this one at the same time that I got the Christmas pillow, and that's literally just a stand. So I think their table decor right now was like 50% off right now, and one of the canvases, I don't know if is it called a canvas? Maybe like a wooden canvas that I did get from Hobby Lobby a while back. So a couple months ago when I went to Hobby Lobby, I picked up this beautiful canvas wall decor thing, and it was literally the epitome of me, because I want my apartment to be pink and also Paris themed. And look at you guys, look at that. It is pink and Paris themed, and I just thought it was the most perfect thing ever. Like, this is literally my aesthetic right now in my home. So I needed to get it, and I think I got this during like a Hobby Lobby always has a sale going on. You just have to check what their weekly sale is, and when it was a wall decor sale, I got this I think for like 50% off. This was originally $17.99, so I got it for like what, $9 or so. And this thing, you can hang it. It is a wall decor for you to hang it on the wall, but it's kind of like small, and I don't really have like a perfect spot for it just yet. So I thought maybe until I can find the perfect wall to put it on, I thought I could get a cute little stand, a gold stand that was like, originally it's $5. So I think I got it for like $2.50. Was it $5? Yeah, it was $5. So I got this for $2.50 because it was 50% off, and I was just going to put it on this stand like that. And I thought it would be so cute to have this in my little coffee bar, my Mercy Love Cafe, if you will, and put this on the background. And I thought that would be really, really cute. So I will do once I'm done with my Mercy Love Cafe area, I'll definitely show you guys and do a tour of it, because I'm pretty proud of it. It's really cute and pink and girly. So yeah, I got these two at Hobby Lobby. And then the next purchases that I made was, I think these are my last thing that I'm going to show you guys, I believe. Yes. And the last two things that I got are from Home Goods. I think it's a different Home Goods than where I got the blanket, or it might have been the same. I don't remember. I literally go Home Goods shopping by going to like 5 different Home Goods and 5 different locations just to see what they have, and I just needed it. So one of the things that I got are these travel cups, but because I've been drinking a lot of pumpkin spice lattes, as every girl has, or boy, during the pumpkin season, I had to get this one, and it's so cute. It has like a donut, the pumpkin latte in a mug, and a cup with ew, I was about to say sour cream, ew, with whipped cream and like cinnamon rolls, and just very fall and so freaking cute. You need this in your life. It's adorable. And then the last thing that I got at Home Goods was a dog drying towel. So isn't this so adorable? It's a pink dog drying towel that it's like made of ultra absorbent microfiber, and it is pink, and it has all these different little paw prints all over it that's like different colors. But obviously I got it because it's pink. But yeah, so I'm excited to use this. This will be his own specific towel for when he's wet and I dry him. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below if you want to see a furniture haul, because I have bought quite a bit of furniture for my new home that's pink and girly and very glam. So if you want to see those things and see what I got for my house, then comment that down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time.